Remote desktop software, as the name suggests, lets you access your home or office desktop from anywhere in the globe. The computer you access remotely is called the host, and the computer you use to get access is called the client. While there are plenty of free remote desktop softwares available in the market, finding the best one that suits your needs can be quite challenging. That's why, in today's video, we will share 5 of the best free remote desktop softwares that you will find handy. The number 5 remote desktop software on this list is Quick Assist, which is easy to use and does not require an installation process since it comes pre-built with your Windows 11 and 10. Just search it on your Windows and open the app. If you're on the host side and want to get assistance, then type the code that your client's computer has generated. After that, you have to permit so the client can access your computer. But if you're on the client computer and want to provide assistance, then log into your Microsoft account and then give the security code to the host user. Then you can either choose from view screen or take full control depending on your needs. Once you're connected, you can take complete control of the host computer, including which monitor to choose, annotate, send text, restart the computer, and more. Overall, the built-in Quick Assist on Windows operating system is perfect for on-demand quick access to other Windows computers without extra hassles. Next up, we have GetScreenMe, a simple remote desktop software with many essential features. It's also great for one-off sessions since it takes a minute to get started. First, download the app and then run it on your remote desktop. Then send the link to another user to whom you want to give access. With this link open in a new browser, your client can create a one-time secure connection to your computer without requiring any password. The client computer can access all the features of the remote desktop software, including mouse and keyboard control, chats, calls, file sharing, and much more. In addition, you can enjoy continuous access to other desktops while you sign into the app. And if you're supporting remote clients, you can schedule a session in your account and invite your client to join. Therefore, remote access is much easier with GetScreenMe. Unlike the other app on this list, Chrome Remote Desktop is an extension that runs on Chrome, which means it can work within any operating system, including Mac, Windows, Linux, and even Chromebooks. Setting this up on a host computer is straightforward. First, install the extension and then share a random code from the remote support or password, which you can set up from the remote access to the host computer. Then, on the client side, use that code or password to connect to the host computer. What's more, the client can remotely access the host computer even if the Chrome browser is closed or logged out of the user account. Finally, it also features multi-monitor support, a file transfer tool, and more. So, if you want to easily access your work or home desktop computer from anywhere, Chrome Remote Desktop is an excellent option for that. DWService is yet another free and open source software that truly simplifies remote access. The host installs or temporarily runs the program, and the client logs in via any web browser to control the desktop. Featuring an easy-to-use interface with multiple language support, the agents are available on different platforms including Windows, Linux, macOS, Raspberry, and others. All the communication takes place using a TCP port and is encrypted via an SSL certificate, meaning the security they offer is top-notch. Besides that, agents can be managed using applications, including features like files and folders to move, copy, upload, download, and many more. Text Editor, on the other hand, can open, edit, and save text files. Moreover, you can open multiple log files and watch them in real time with LogWatch. Plus, you can use resources to view system information and performance. Screen gives you the ability to turn your keyboard or mouse on or off, control your audio, and more. Lastly, you can use the shell to run commands remotely. With all these necessary features on board, DWService earns an easy place in the number 2 position in this roundup. Maintaining a computer network can be a daunting process, especially when the network spans multiple cities and countries, but not when you have remote utilities. A flexible remote desktop software that allows you to easily maintain a fleet of distributed computers to provide remote support to users all around the globe. The main windows of this software displays an address book with access details of the remote computers that you maintain. Then, there are different connection modes to help you perform various tasks on a remote PC. For example, you can select the View Only mode to view the remote computer. But if you want to take complete control, you can select the mouse pointer from here. Other than that, you can also send keystrokes with terminal, transfer files, shut down or restart using the power control. There's also support for making voice and video calls to communicate with the remote user. All things considered, it's safe to say that Remote Utilities includes heaps of free remote access tools for both personal and business use. At the same time, it lets you connect up to 10 computers. Hence, it's clear why it is made at the top of the list today. So, that was all about the 5 best remote desktop software that are completely free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.